Okay, this is going to be a quick demo of some of the features of the app. You can see by default, it gives you a daily journal page. You don't have to use it, but I find it a really helpful inbox. Just a place to kind of think out loud, jot down to-dos, a default place to capture stuff. If I want to open or create a different page, there's an omnibar up here. I can hit Command K or just click up in here. And now I can search for stuff. I can type in, the title of a new note and hit enter to create it. Or I can, open one of these existing notes. So let's create a to-do. If I'm in a bullet point and I hit a /, I get the choice of all these different statuses. I'm going to choose now. Now I kind of have the question, how am I going to keep track of my to-dos? That's one of the things you can use formulas for. So if I hit equals at the beginning of a bullet point, one of my options is find, and this searches for content in my notes. So I'm going to search for things that mention screencast by typing that in quotes, and then comma. If I type in now, that's kind of a shorthand for to-dos marked now. So if I hit enter, okay, so that's all my to-dos marked now that mention screencast. And this is dynamic. If I edit this here, it's going to get synced back to the original note and vice versa. You can see one of the other formulas I can use is ask, and that asks AI a question. So if I do ask, what was Golden Gate Park before it was a park? Now I could just give it that, or I can give it content from my notes. So if I do 2 brackets, then I can choose, okay, I've got a note called Golden Gate Park. And now it's going to go off and think about it for a while. You can see up here, I can also import and export notes. This is also where you would sign up, which you need to do if you want to use AI features or sync your notes across devices. Okay, so you can see that it thought about it, gave an answer, and it actually has footnotes back to the original text to support its answer from your notes. So yeah, that is kind of some of the features of the app. If you have more questions, email me or check out the user manual. And the user manual has kind of a lot more stuff. So yeah, have fun.